Welcome back to another tutorial. Today I show you how to use the new human base meshes in Blender to improve your character design workflow. First of all, go to blender.org and then go to download, demo files, and here it is, the human base meshes. Just click and then install. I will cancel because I already got it. Then if you have already installed, then go to File, Open, Human Base Meshes Bundle, now we got it. Now you can see here we get these two characters, a man and a girl. These two characters look a little bit like cartoonish, and then we get the other. They are more realistic. Okay, and then here you get some heads, cartoonish head and realistic human head, and also we get the skulls here and feet, hands. Here we get the teeth and eyes. So we can work with that. But for now, I just want to use only the cartoonish mesh I want to use to show you what you can do with that. To delete all of them. Shift S and we place the cursor to world origin in the middle, and then Shift S selection to cursor to place the character in the middle. And then we duplicate this character, Shift D. Now we get another one. Because I want to show you something here, we can use the Sculpt mode now. If you don't like this character here, you can add it. Okay, you can change and make a few changes how you want. If the lips are too full, that you can change them. Just go here to the Sculpt mode. Then you can start editing the character. For example here with the grab brush. Let's go to the other side. Just select the nose. Have a little bit bigger here. We can make the nose a little bit smaller and the lips I told you before. When they are too full, then make a few changes here, and also the chin maybe. Here from the side we can make a few changes. You see the X mirror is activated. Something like that. The ears, a few changes. Well, then here, the body. You can make this guy just a little bit of belly fat here. I know you can do it much better, just to demonstrate you. Like that. Too much. Much bigger legs, and that's it. You can make a few changes here. You can change that how you want, okay? And then you can see here that the topology Looks really good. You already can rig this guy. You can make the changes here with the grab brush, or you can make a few changes here with the other brushes, but with the other brushes, for example, then when you use the clay stripes here, first activate here the dynamic topology, and now when you sculpt now the character, for example here with the clay stripes, you see that the mesh is deforming now with a flattened brush. Now the topology isn't good enough to make a rig with that, okay, to animate it. That means after you edit this character with the sculpt brushes, then you have to make the retopology. You can follow the tutorial here. You can see it's one of my other tutorials where I show you the full workflow, how to use the retopology. If you want to animate your character, then you need a clean topology. Let me show you here. Select the other character and then now go to the edit mode. You can see here that looks very clean, and this character you can rig and animate without any problems. Let me show you in a few seconds. Just have a look at this guy here. When you go to edit mode, you can see here that the topology in the face isn't good anymore. You see he have triangles here, and this is not good to animate a character. And we can delete this base mesh and go to the other one. And when hit Shift A, then you can see here the armature, the human meta rig. With this rig, with this bone skeleton, we can rig our character to prepare him for animation. Let me show you how. First of all, we bring the skeleton in front. Just click here on these options and then in front. Now you can see that the skeleton is always in front of our character. Okay, then we go here to the edit mode. Make sure that the X mirror is activated here. Now you can see it mirrors the other side. First we select, start here on top, select all the left side and also the head. Bones in the middle. And G along the Z-axis. GZ. GZ. Make sure that all the bones here in the middle have the same size. Good, now we select the arm here. You can rotate it like that. Oh, I have selected the other bone, the spine bone. You can do it like that with G. Bring in position. G, rotate, G, rotate, and G. Go to side view, and then with shift we select all the dump bones and move them here inside of the dump. Isn't perfect yet, but I think you know what I mean. We select all the fingers, bring them in position, hand bone, go to the back view. The little finger we can rotate a little bit, bring them in position, and with G good. It's not perfect. Just the head bones we have to change a little bit. Select the armature and go to edit mode. Side view. Now select only the head bones. And with G, don't have to be perfect. I just want to show you. Neck bone. This is the other neck bone here. Alright, and after that select the character, then select the armature with holding shift, go to the pose mode, Control P, and set parent to with automatic weights. Now the armature, our bone skeleton, is parented with the character. Select the arm and rotate. You can see here looks pretty well. Side view, rotate, rotate, select the bone, rotate, the foot, rotate, now we get a full rig. Only the eyes are not connected with the armature, but you can have a look in one of my older tutorials where I explain exactly how to use the character rig and how to rig the eyeballs, okay? This human base mesh is amazing. It saves a lot of time when you create your upcoming characters. And let me try out a few things, then I will give you a tutorial very soon how to use this human base mesh to create consistent AI images. If you found this tutorial was helpful, then give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and then see you soon. Bye.